Healthcare touches everyone, and it's no secret the system is broken. Hi, I'm Steve here for USHAG, which stands for U.S. Consumer Healthcare Advocacy Group, a powerful ally that will enable consumers to take back control of their healthcare. Did you know that $1 of every $5 a person in this country spends, they spend on healthcare? People do it blindly because it's their health. They spend money on healthcare and move forward without really understanding all of their options and the true costs involved. Healthcare choices are so complicated. Meanwhile, healthcare companies are making it more and more complex so they can make more money. Incorrect medical bills, gaps in insurance, disability paperwork, complications with legal forms, and the poor consumer is trying to navigate a system of confusion, complexity, and impersonalization. Honestly, to try to understand all of this is next to impossible. Well, it's time we put the power back into the hands of the consumer so your healthcare works the way it should. Our crowdfunding begins now, so we are coming directly to you to help join our fight with your investment and help disrupt the current healthcare system. In development for over 12 years, USHAG, in partnership with IBM Watson, has developed a proprietary artificial intelligence platform capable of deep machine learning using quantum processing, combined with a personal human healthcare advocate. USHAG not only automates the manual process of healthcare advocacy, but will provide extensive insights and reporting for our members' healthcare that no human could deliver alone. By becoming an annual member for as little as $9.99 a month, USHAG will manage every aspect of our members' healthcare and will revolutionize the healthcare system by finding the best healthcare available at the lowest cost. We are planning to launch this one-of-a-kind platform in 2022, but we need your help. We are breaking the current healthcare model and putting it back together the way it should be, in the best interest of consumers. Please join us today.